Hey there, welcome to my channel. If you're trying to lose weight, you've probably been told to watch your calorie intake, right? But what if I told you that there are certain foods you can eat without worrying about calories at all? That's right, zero-calorie foods. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of zero-calorie foods and how they can help you on your weight loss journey. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more weight loss tips and tricks. Now let's get into it. 1. Celery. Celery is one of the most well-known zero-calorie foods out there. With its high water content and low calorie density, you can munch on celery all day long without packing on the pounds. Plus, celery is rich in fiber, which can help keep you feeling full for longer. 2. Cucumbers. Similar to celery, cucumbers are also incredibly low in calories due to their high water content. A whole cucumber contains only about 16 calories, making it a perfect snack or addition to salads and sandwiches. Cucumbers are also a great source of vitamin K, which is essential for bone health. 3. Lettuce. Whether it's romaine, iceberg, or any other variety, lettuce is a zero-calorie powerhouse. You can load up on lettuce in your salads, wraps, and sandwiches without worrying about the calorie count. Lettuce is also rich in vitamins A and K, as well as folate and manganese. 4. Radishes. These crunchy veggies are not only low in calories, but they're also packed with nutrients like vitamin C, folate, and potassium. Radishes can add a nice kick of flavor to your dishes, and they're perfect for snacking on when you're feeling a little peckish. 5. Mushrooms. Whether you're a fan of button, portobello, or shiitake mushrooms, they're all incredibly low in calories. Mushrooms are also a great source of protein, fiber, and antioxidants, making them a nutritious addition to your meals. 6. Tomatoes. Technically a fruit, tomatoes are low in calories and high in nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium. You can add them to salads, sandwiches, or even enjoy them on their own with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. 7. Zucchini. Zucchini is a versatile vegetable that can be used in a variety of dishes, from zucchini noodles to zucchini bread. With its high water content and low calorie count, zucchini is a great addition to your weight loss diet. 8. Spinach. Popeye was onto something with his spinach obsession. This leafy green is not only low in calories, but it's also packed with nutrients like iron, folate, and vitamins A and K. Add spinach to your smoothies, salads, or sautéed dishes for a nutrient-dense boost. 9. Cauliflower. Cauliflower has become a popular low-carb substitute for everything from rice to pizza crust. But did you know that cauliflower is also a zero-calorie food? That's right, you can enjoy this versatile veggie without worrying about the calorie count. 10. Broth. Whether it's vegetable, chicken, or beef broth, these flavorful liquids are essentially calorie-free. Sip on a warm cup of broth when you're feeling hungry, or use it as a base for soups and stews to add flavor without adding calories. There you have it, folks. 10 delicious and nutritious zero-calorie foods that can help you on your weight loss journey. Remember, the key to sustainable weight loss is not just about cutting calories, but also about making healthy choices and creating a balanced diet. Incorporate these zero-calorie foods into your meals and snacks, and you'll be well on your way to reaching your weight loss goals. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment letting me know which zero-calorie food is your favorite.